Hello, everyone. Welcome back, and a good evening to all. In the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, yes, it's Friday, June the 30th, last day of the month, 2023, and we have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku with 0 stars, 3 stars Sudoku, 4 stars Sudoku. We have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, in Dutch they call it Saifa block, in Japanese Suguru, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles, I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. 4 puzzles, yeah. Why? Well, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to a YouTube, yeah. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. I've not a fast connection with internet, so yeah, I need the same time for uploading it. Alright, 3 star Sudoku number 6679. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, the 3 star Sudoku has 25. I've double checked this, 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. Alright, for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are a 3 and a 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in the middle row, so no 3 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and a 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. Alright. Then 8, 3, no. Let me see. 5, 3, the 9, 9, 9, the 3, 3, 3. Interesting. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1. Need a 4 here. Need a 9 here. 149. Okay. How about 7 and 4? I'm thinking. 7. Alright. 7. Need a 5. 5. Yeah. 6 and 6. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 in the last column could be here or there. Here 6 or there 6. Well, we have another 6 in this row, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6 in the first column, so no 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column, no need 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here 6 in the last row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6 Alright. Okay. And now. 5. How about the number? Come on. 1. 9. No. 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 5. Well, 5. 3, 5. 8. Need an 8 here. 9. Need a 9 there. Oh wait, need a 9 here. 9. No 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this column, so no 9 in these two boxes. Here 9 in this row, no 9 in those two boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. A 9 in one of those two boxes in this column, 9 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So in the last column, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. You see a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9. Okay. 5. Yeah. I'm thinking. And 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left for the 8. It could be here, could be there. And 1, need a 1 here, yeah. 1. Okay. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the first column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1. So we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these two boxes. Here 1 in one of those two boxes in the last row, so no 1 in that box. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those two boxes in the column next. On the last column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. You see a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. Come on, this is taking too long. 1, 2, need a 2. Need a 2 here. Yeah. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1. This box can be a 1? Can be 2? Can be 3? Can be 4? Should be a 5. Can be a 6? Can be 7? Can be an 8? Can be a 9? Yes, definitely a 5. Hit the number. Okay. 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in the last column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here 5 in the third row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. This is number 2, number 5. Alright, 4. Need a 4. 4, need a 7, yeah, 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 goes together with this 9 as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes in there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1, 3, yeah. Okay, so we have an 8 in the last row, 8 in a row above. So that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Need an 8 here. Wow. The 8 in the last column, the 8 in that column. So the column 3, the only place left for the 8 should be there. No 8 here. Here should be the 8. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Let me mark those. The other pair, the third pair in this big square, are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8. 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 3 goes there. Alright. So we have a 9 here. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Then, 7, 8, 1 and a 4. Well, 9 with a 3. How about the 3? The 3 should be here. 3. Need a 3 here. No 3 here. 3, 3. 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 in these 3 boxes. Here, 3 in the middle column. No 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 3 in this row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, and look, we have 1 and 2 in this column. No 1 and 2 in this box. 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this row for number 4. 4, 4. Okay. Interesting. The 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 7, 9, 3, 7, 9, 3, 7, 9, 3, 7, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. So the 3 and the 7 are left. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 3 goes there. Then. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6. The 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 2, okay. We have all the 9s, yes. We have all the 9s. Alright, and now, 7. How about the 1? 1. What the 2? 2 could be everywhere. The 3. Yep. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 and the 4, we have a 4 now in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 7 and 8, we have an 8 now in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 1 box left in this column for number 1. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing, and 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there, finishing 17 minutes. Well. 20 to 30 minutes, no. Nope, 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, so let me give this 2 stars. Yeah, it's a 2 stars puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.